Blast your career into orbit by designing rockets as an aerospace engineer. I am a rocket scientist, also known as an aerospace engineer. I work for United Launch Alliance. We design and build space launch vehicles for the United States, putting satellites into space. I design nose cones, the aluminum structure on the top of a rocket that will protect the satellite that's inside. When I was in high school, if you were really good at math and science, engineering was always suggested as a good career option. I earned a bachelor's in mechanical engineering. A degree in aerospace engineering is ideal, but there are a number of related degrees that will work. If you get an engineering degree, you have a really good chance of getting a job right out of college. I stayed more on the technical engineering path, for which a bachelor's was sufficient. Many aerospace engineers will get a master's degree, which is helpful for someone who wants to manage or lead people. As a manager or leader, you're overseeing all of the projects and dealing with things like scheduling and hiring people. I've stayed with the same company for 33 years, which has its pluses and minuses. An advantage of staying with one company, I've been able to live in the same city for my entire career. An advantage of changing companies, you will likely see a wider range of engineering ideas and designs. Changing companies can also be a good way to gain promotions and salary increases. My company's hierarchy is pretty rigid. It can take several years to earn promotions. In aerospace, there is a rewarding conclusion to your work. When that button is pushed and that rocket launches, a lot of satisfaction comes from having been an engineer on that project. It's also very rewarding knowing that you're putting up satellites that really are helping mankind. A common misconception is that engineers are nerdy or boring, not fun to be around. You do have to be a technical person, but a lot of engineers are well-rounded and interesting. Be aware, the industry is dependent on government contracts. If the U.S. reduces its military budget, layoffs can happen. To land a job out of college, an internship with an aerospace engineering company is almost required. Tip: get good grades. The better grades you have, the easier it will be to get hired. Listen to or read the full transcript of Insider Dale's interview to learn more about the challenging and interesting projects that he has handled as a rocket scientist. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, check out the episode notes for a direct link to our website. If you're already on our website, keep scrolling to listen to or read more.